The manage nodes command makes it easy to manage the node names that you've created. So for example, if we take a look at our section here, I've got this EOP here, and I've got EOP left 1 and or L2 and EGL1. Well, if I wanted to change those to, like all these EOPs to be just EP possibly, or I want to modify or change any of these, you could go to each section. But if you use the manage nodes command from the corridors tab, you'll see here that it's lists all the nodes in your template. So if I wanted to come in here where it says EOP, I could come in and change this to just EP. A lot of different things you can do, but it would make again, you can see here editing these nodes a little bit simpler. You can see here this is defined as a lane edge, this is defined as a shoulder. So you could, the rest are undefined, but you could also come in here and modify those as lane edge or shoulder if that's what you needed to do. But the manage node names let you modify your nodes on your cross-section template.